Hi everyone, my name is Dunn and I am the NetApp Business Sector Manager here at Arrow ECS, and we're here today to provide you with some insight into some of the business issues in 3 chosen verticals, and how NetApp's HCI solution has played a key part in resolving these and demonstrating some real business benefits out to those customers. Our objective today is to provide you with some key battle points to drive NetApp HCI into your end users, win against the competition and in the markets that you play in. And on that note, I'd like to introduce Ajay Klair, one of the NetApp BDMs here at Arrow ECS.
Morning, Lee.
So Ajay, can you maybe tell me some of the business issues finance and engineering sectors may be facing, and then maybe give an example of how NetApp's HCI solution has been able to deliver some substantial business benefits to the customers?
Well, with the rate at which data is generated, businesses expand and markets get more competitive, there are significant challenges that need to be overcome. Effective storage and compute systems are vital in reacting rapidly to market changes and customer requirements. If your systems can't keep up with the demand required, this could result in slow application development as well as reduced manufacturing and distribution activities. Businesses, especially in the finance, engineering and manufacturing verticals, require systems that are simple to install and deploy, provide extremely low latency to deliver guaranteed performance, reduce data center footprint as well as cutting hardware costs. Now more than ever is a need for a system that allows the consumer to be more efficient and agile with their data, and this is where NetApp HCI fits in. The Central Bottling Company, or CBC, is one of the beverage producers in Israel and produces many different drinks, including the likes of Coca-Cola as well as food. Manufacturing plants are also part of their business. The CBC recognised that its compute and storage systems were preventing a rapid reaction to market changes and customer requirements. One of their senior IT systems architects realised their servers at their production plant kept on failing and their daily backup and restore capabilities were ineffective due to extremely high latency. They spent a year or two looking for a hyperconverged technology that could help them become more efficient and agile. After checking out several vendors and even starting a pilot with one, they still felt that they didn't have the right answer. Soon after, NetApp introduced their own HCI offering. However, they had the chance to see it in a lab setting and immediately decided that it was exactly what they needed. The CBC was so impressed with NetApp HCI that it ordered 2 systems to simplify and automate its virtualized workloads and build a suitable cloud-based infrastructure. Installing and deploying the system rapidly was key. It took them just 1 hour to configure everything, and then they plugged the HCI into their VMware environment, and it's been working flawlessly ever since. Everything within their data centers, SQL Exchange, SAP, databases, all integrate into HCI. And system management is automated and simple. It was simply set it and forget it. The greatest impact that NetApp HCI has had on the CBC's data center is guaranteed performance, which touches not only the company's 250 VMs and 3,000 users, but also tens of thousands of customers. After installing HCI, all of their performance issues disappeared. Their biggest issue, latency, dropped from 120 milliseconds all the way down to 1 millisecond, with system uptime reaching 100%. They can restore with NetApp Snapshot in minutes rather than hours. They generate production reports within hours rather than a day, and they fully utilise their VM environment. Now their system is overperforming and they can grow without thinking twice about it. HCI has also led to a significant reduction in footprint at the CBC's data centres, and when it comes to storing efficiency, HCI has done the job. Each HCI system includes a 20 terabyte storage system that enables provisioning of 25 to 30 terabytes at an effective capacity of over 260 terabytes. By improving thin provisioning, deduplication and compression efficiency, HCI delivers 27 times better overall efficiency at each data center. The CBC has also enjoyed significant cost savings since the arrival of NetApp HCI. Their hardware and electricity costs have been reduced by 50%, and their licensing costs have also decreased. As the system is automated and easy to use, this also frees up staff to focus on other areas of the business. Their lead solutions architects stated that it's helping them move forward and redefine their data centers, and it gives them the peace of mind and confidence they need to make sure that their customers continue to be satisfied and that they continue to be the market's #1 beverage provider.
Great, thank you for that. Gartner view NetApp's HCI solution as the evolutionary disruptor in the market currently, and provide a solution to your customers that enables you to focus directly on the business needs. If you want to know more or have a conversation with me or any of my BDMs, feel free to reach out to any of us via the usual channels and we'll see how we can support you in that. Thank you.